Hello, good afternoon, dear students, honorable guardians, and respectable viewers. How are you all?
So we are fine.
We are fine, sir.
Thank you very much. I hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His grace. Dear student, I welcome you all in my EFT classes provided by the Jala Prashashan Chattogram. Dear student, you know that the whole world is affected with the deadly virus called Corona or COVID-19. Everything is locked down, but education cannot be locked down. That's why our Jala Prashashan authority took the decision to take the classes online basis. That is the betterment for the students of our Chattogram district. So I hope all of my dear students of class 9 and 10, you have to follow the classes provided by the Jala Prashashan authority, Chattogram. From the very beginning, I would like to thank to the Almighty for getting us well so far from the affected virus COVID-19. So, I welcome all of you on these online classes. And this is Nurul Kader Sikdar. I am giving my identity. This is Nurul Kader Sikdar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Muslim High School, Chattogram. I am going to take the classes of 9 and 10 students, EFT class. Dear student, we are going to enjoy a video. After watching video, I will ask something. Please watch the video attentively. Dear student, please follow the fixer or follow the video very attentively. After watching video, I will ask you something. Okay, dear student, just now we have watched a video. Dear student, what is the video about?
The video about the art of Zainul Abidin.
Thank you very much. Art of Shilpacharya Zainul Abidin. And we know that this is our founder of Bangladesh on the field of art. He is called the Shilpacharya. Okay. And I'm giving, before starting my topics, I'm giving a short description of the biography of our master painter, Zainul Abidin. Dear student, please note down what I'm going to tell. Zainul Abidin was a Bangladeshi painter. He is our pride, no doubt. He became well known in 1944 Please, dear student, note down. He became well known in 1944 through his series of painting depicting some of great famines in Bengal during its British colonial period. That is, he is well known from 1944. Dear student, our discussing Shilpacharya Jainal Abidin was born December 29, 1914, Kishorganj in East Bengal. He was died May 28, 1976 in Dhaka. Dear student, please note down what I am going to tell. This is not in your textbook. His spouse name is Jahanara Abedin. Jainal Abedin's spouse name is Jahanara Abedin, and his mother's name is Jainabun Nessa. Please note down. And father's name, the father's name of Jainal Abedin, Tomis Uddin Ahmed. He had two children. One is Hairul Abedin, and second one or last one is Moinul Abedin. Do you understand, my student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Please follow me. And his education, after completing matriculation, he admitted Government Art College, Kolkata, and Art College, London. He is well known for his painting and drawing. He did a lot of works in the field of art in Bangladesh, but some is notable work. Number one is The Struggle, Study of a Crow, Rebel Cow, 2 pages, Famine Painting, Nobanno. These are the famous painting of Shilpacharya Jainal Abedin. Okay? Dear student, our today's lesson is Jainal Abedin, the greatest artist, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Dear student, please open the page number 91 in your EFT book. Take your EFT book and open the page number 91, and we are going to discuss about our master painter, our greatest artist, Jainal Abedin, Unit 7, Lesson 1. After finishing this chapter, you will be able to, that is, student will be able to read and understand through silent reading, ask and answer question, and write an article about a biography of a man. Let us know something about Jainal Abedin. I again said that birthplace Kishorganj, date of birth 29 December 1914. In 1938, he graduated with the first position in first class from Kolkata Art College. He attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 1952. He was titled Shilpacharya. We heard the name of Shilpacharya from the very beginning of our life, that is Shilpacharya Jainal Abedin. But we don't know what is the meaning of Shilpacharya. And I'm going to tell you that the meaning of Shilpacharya means great teacher of art. That is, Shilpacharya means great teacher of art. Dear student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see a fixer. You see a fixer of river. Which rivers inspires Jainal Abedin to draw something, to make something? Which river is this? Can anyone tell? A river which inspires Jainal Abedin to draw something, to make something, difference. What is the river of this name is? You are seeing in the fixer? Can anyone tell? No. Very sad. This river name is Brahmaputra Nath. Brahmaputra Nath inspires Jainal Abedin. Jainal Abedin was inspired to be an artist by the river Brahmaputra. Okay? Dear student, can you see a picture of a college? of a college. In front of the college, some of students designing something, make something, or draw something. Which is this college? Can anyone say?
Sir, art college.
Art college, fine. Who is art college? Joinal Abidin studied.
Kolkata Art College.
Fine. Thank you.
Kolkata Art College.
Kolkata Art College, Government School of Art, Kolkata. This is the scenic beauty of the Art College of Kolkata. After completing high school, Joinal Abidin got admitted in this school or Art School of Kolkata. And another an institution in abroad where
Slade School of Art, London.
Joinal Abidin was studied. Can anyone say?
Slade School of Art, London.
Thank you very much. Slade School of Arts, London. And he attended the Slade School of Arts in London from 1951 to 52. Dear student, our master painter, Joinal Abidin, attended the Slade School of Arts in London from 1951 to 52. And we are seeing the fixer, where the first principal of Joinal Abidin. Where was the first principal of Joinal Abidin? Which college? First Art School Dhaka, now Art Institute Dhaka. And Joinal Abidin was the first principal of this institution. Was the founder of Joinal Abidin, was the founder of. Where is this? Narayanganj, Sonargaon. Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon, and it was established by our painter Joinal Abidin. And this is also situated in Mymensingh. This is Joinal Abidin Sangrahshala. Joinal Abidin Sangrahshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh, and it was established by Joinal Abidin also. And this is only exhibited Joinal Abidin Sangrahshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh. What is this picture? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
The Constitution of Bangladesh.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. The Constitution of Bangladesh, first page of the Constitution of Bangladesh was designed by
Joinul Abidin.
Joinul Abidin. Thank you very much. Joinul Abidin designed the page of Constitution of Bangladesh. So he is our pride, no doubt. Before reading this software, you have to know some keywords or new words from the option or from the textbook. And I'm going to tell the meaning of the new words. Please keep with me. Feminine sketches. What is the meaning of feminine sketches? Can anyone say what is the meaning of feminine?
Durvikka Chitra.
You can say in Bengali, no problem. You can say in Bangla, no problem. What is the Bengali meaning of feminine?
Sir, Durvikko.
Durvikko.
Durbikko, fine. Thank you very much. The Bengali meaning of feminine is Durbikko. And feminine sketches means drawing of a feminine fixture. Dear student, note down this new words meaning feminine sketches mean drawing of a feminine picture. Joinal Abidin was famous for drawing feminine pictures. And 1944, Joinal Abidin sketches or feminine sketch, drawing the feminine sketches, and he was famous for this. Sinister. What is the meaning of sinister? Can anyone say?
Ashubho.
Fine. Thank you very much. Oshubho, okolyankor. In Bengali, আমরা যেটা বলি যে okolyankor, oshubho. Meaning sinister means harmful, injurious, pernicious. Do you understand, dear student? Do you understand?
Yes,
Sinister.
sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
note down. Please note down. Sinister means harmful, injurious, pernicious. Timid people are afraid of sinister pace. A skeletal. What does it mean of a skeletal?
Kongal.
A frame
Kongal.
or a structure.
Kongal.
The frame or a structure of a body. Skeletal means frame or structure of body. Note down that. The fixture shows the skeletal parts of human body. Flight. What is the means of flight?
অঙ্গীকার
Ongikar, promise. Promise. We have said that. We always said to our friend that promise me. You promise, that is flight. That is commitment, promise, please, undertaking, promising, that called flight. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Dear student,
sir.
note down that flight means commitment, promise, please, undertaking, promising. And what is the means of flight? You can imagine from my fixer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It is our flight to protect addiction. This is the sentence by the word of flight. Defect. What is the means of defect?
অঙ্কন করা
Defect means অঙ্কন করা, representing by drawing. Represent anything by drawing. This is called defect. Okay?
yes sir yes
A
sir
painter depicts his imagination by drawing fixture. Zainul Abidin made extraordinary painting in Bangladesh. He grows his imagination, or he expresses imagination by defect or by drawing fixture. Compassion. What is the meaning of compassion?
সহমর্মিতা
We see the fixture of two men, and this is the fixture of sympathy, cordially. Sympathy, empathy. This is called compassion. We should have compassion to the helpless, definitely. Circle.
কয়লা কাঠ কয়লা
কয়লা
What you are showing? What you are showing in the picture, in the screen?
চারকোল
Burning the coal. Burning the
carbon.
burning the coal. Meaning coal, cinder, burning object. This is called charcoal. Carbon dioxide is produced by burning charcoal. Milestone. What is the means of milestone? Destination.
Mile follow.
Mile follow, in Bengali, mile follow, and I'm giving the picture of Panchaboti 71. What do you mean this picture? That is, if you go to the 71 kilometer in front or ahead, you go to you will reach the Panchaboti. This is destination or milestone. Okay, so milestone means a guide to a destination. That is, Government Muslim High School is a milestone of education. Government Muslim High School is a milestone of education. This is a sentence by making with milestone. Let's have a tour from your text. Let's have a tour from your text. Read the text and answer the question that follow. But I am describing how many minutes? How many minutes remaining? How many minutes remaining? 20 minutes remaining. Okay. Okay, we are going to discuss, or we are going to read out our text. The pioneer of Bangladesh. Dear student, listen to me. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainul Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketches. Through the series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943, but also showed its sinister pace through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made flight. He depicted these extremely shocking figures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawing and sketches which became iconic images of human sufferings. Dear student, Zainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he took admission in the Government School of Art, Kolkata, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in the first class in 1938. And after getting the first class, he was appointed a teacher of art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slide School of Arts, London during 1951 to 1952. Zainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpacharya. What is the meaning of Shilpacharya? Meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art college in Dhaka in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nabanno Harvest exhibition in 1968, and it was the remarkable painting from Zainul Abidin. He made Nabanno in 1969. The exhibition included a 65-feet long stall portraying the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the Bengali artist protest and a milestone in our struggle for cultural and political freedom. Zainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30-feet long scroll painting called Manpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating. Dear student, page number 92. He designed the pages of Constitution of the Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon, and also Zainul Abidin Sangrahshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in the painting and was a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic river Brahmaputra. Listen to me, dear student. We are going to the end for reading the text. A series of watercolors that Zainul did as his tribute to the river earned him and Govern's gold medal in an all India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time that he came into a spotlight, and his award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. That is, in 1938, he was awarded a Governor's Gold Medal in All India exhibition, and that made him confidence to make something different in Bangladeshi art. Dear student, I mean the last line of the text. Zainul Abidin was born in Kishorganj on 29 December 1914 and died in Dhaka on 28 May 1976. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dear student, if you listen the lecture, if you listen my lecture attentively, you will be able to answer this question. Question number 1, write in details how Zainul Abidin portrayed in suffering of the people. Please note down, what influence did the river Brahmaputra have on Zainul Abidin? How did he show this influence in his works? What this work earned his later in his life? Please note down question 1, 2, 3, 4. And question number 4, how did his art help to intensify the non-cooperation movement, okay, against the West Pakistan or Pakistan? Please note down these 4 questions, and I hope that if you listen my lecture carefully, you will be able to answer this question, no doubt. Otherwise not. Look at the series of pictures in your book, in your textbook, page number 92 and 93. You see some picture, that is picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and picture 6. Look at the series of pictures, work in groups, and talk about them. Now briefly write about what each picture portrays. That is, he made something different in Bangladeshi modern art or Bangladeshi modern art, and you have to talk, or you have to write something about this picture, what expresses this picture. Okay, picture 1, picture 2, picture number 3, and picture 4, fixture 5, fixture 6, and last one, fixure 7. You have to write something about this fixture, and you write in notebook, fixture 1 expresses such kind of thing, fixture 2 expresses such kind of thing, fixture 3 expresses such kind of thing. You have to write something about this picture. Okay, dear student,
Yes,
can you hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. In page number 93, there is a listening text. In our EFT book, some listening texts are given by our most of the teacher and student are not attentive to listen the listening text or to do the listening text in the classroom situation. But it is so much important to you or to the student of class 9 and 10 for testing the listening text. Okay, and we know that the 4 skills of English: reading, writing, listening, speaking. And listening text is the most important for you. And we are going to text the listening text. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please listen to it carefully.
English in Action. Class 9 and 10. Unit 7. Lesson 1. C. Joinul Abidin, the great artist. On Tuesday, Dan Muzina, the US ambassador to Bangladesh, visited Shilpacharya Joinul Abidin Sangrohoshala at Saheb Quarter Park area of Mymensingh town. There, he spoke highly about the Bangladeshi master painter. The art gallery was established in 1975 to preserve the master painter's artworks in his hometown. There are 62 artworks on different aspects of life and nature by Shilpacharya at the gallery. The art gallery also includes 53 memorabilia. The Deputy Commissioner of Mymensingh, the Police Superintendent, and the Deputy Keeper of the Art Gallery were present during Mozina's one-hour visit. Commenting on the art gallery, Mozina said, "This museum is a global treasure. I am honored that my colleagues and I had this opportunity to experience the art of Joinul Abidin in his hometown. I am well acquainted with his work, especially the Famine series, as I visited several exhibitions of his works in Washington, D.C., where it was received with great acclaim." The US ambassador also said that Joinul Abidin was a true genius. His works are so simple, yet so complex and powerful at the same time.
Dear student, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard the listening text? Have you
Yes,
heard?
Yes,
the
sir.
text?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Page number 93. After listening test, some questions are given 93 and 94 page. Please make it. Please make it. And your answer is ready.
Yes, sir.
Listen to the CD your teacher. No. Listen to the CD and teacher take the words here. The US ambassador, please listen to me, dear student. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Not given the answer togetherly. Raise up your hand. The US ambassador to Bangladesh considers Joinul Abidin A. great painter, B. popular painter, master painter, unique painter. Rashid, raise up your hand. What is
Sir,
the
as a master painter.
master painter? Thank you very much. Be clap for him. Be clap for him. After, it is so much difficult to answer the question. After listening something, you have to answer something. So this is a tough question. The US ambassador to Bangladesh considers Joinul Abidin a master painter? Question number 2. Please raise up your hand. Not given the answer. Not given the answer. Joinul's art gallery was set up in Mahadin.
19,
Raised hand.
1975.
1975. Thank you very much. Joinul's art gallery was set up in 1975. Thank you very much. And question number 3. Question number 3. The number of Joinul's artwork preserved in the gallery is 53, 62, 65, or 75. 3 participants raised hand. 3 participants, who are them? Please answer.
62.
62. Thank you very much. What is your name, please?
Sahiba Binte Kamal.
From what school?
Nasirabad Sarkari Balikya Uচ্চ বিদ্যালয়।
Oh, thank you very much. Chattogram Sarkari Balikya Uচ্চ Vidyalay, not Nasirabad. Okay. The number of Joinul's artwork preserved in the gallery is 62. Okay. And our next question, number 4. The US Ambassador Dan Margina commented that the museum is a global. 2 participants raised hand. 2 participants raised hand. Who are them?
Treasure.
Treasure. Fine. The Dan Margina commented the museum is a global treasure. Question number 5. Question number 5. The US ambassador was in the gallery for 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. Oshi raised hand. Oshi, please. Shahiba. Shahiba. Oshi, you raised your hand.
2 hours.
2 hours. Thank you very much. 2 hours. Okay, thank you very much. And we are D, question number D. MCQ test is finished now, and we are going to talk the question answer. Listen to the text again and answer the question. We heard the listen, we heard the text, and where is Joinul Abidin Art Gallery situated? Can anyone say? Where is Joinul Abidin
Mymensingh.
Joinul Abidin Art Gallery, Mymensingh. Thank you very much. When did the ambassador visit the gallery? When?
Tuesday.
Fine, thank you very much. Tuesday. Oh, thank you very much. Big clap for you. Tuesday. Who else were there with the ambassador during her visit?
The Deputy Commissioner of Mymensingh
Fine. Deputy Commissioner of Mymensingh and the
police.
Police super in Mymensingh. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Which artwork of Joinul did the ambassador especially mention? Which artwork? Dan Margina mentioned a drawing. Who is the drawing? Which is the drawing?
Feminine series.
Feminine sketches. Thank you very much. Feminine sketches. How did the ambassador feel after visiting the gallery? How did she feel? She feel very ambitious. She feel very ambitious, and he praised him, and she praised him highly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. We are going to finish our text today. How was the class today? Dear student, how was the class today?
So interesting.
Oh, interesting. Fine. Thank you very much. Today's class is very interesting, and I am adding the listening text in here. This is the new for you. So, but I hope that you'll be able to answer this question about listening test. Thank you very much. And I am going to give you home assignment, all right, paragraphs on life and activities of Joinul Abidin. Dear student, note down that. Write a paragraph on the life and activities of Joinul Abidin. Have you finished? Have you finished your writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. This will be, I will talk, or I will see you in the, see again in the next class. Thank you very much. And
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Thank you. Walaikum Assalam. Stay home, stay safe. follow the instruction given by the government and given by the health ministry. That is all for today. Thank you again. Allah Hafiz.